Hi, this is Rebecca Coleman for The Art of the Business, and today I'm going to show you how to create a nifty email signature so that every single time you send an email, you have information in the signature, in your outgoing email signature, so that every single email that you send allows people to connect with you to your social media. I use Google. I use Gmail. I love Gmail because it allows me to stream several different email addresses all into one place, and also I can do it all on my phone. Gmail is just really great. I love it a lot. So I'm going to show you how to use Gmail, but probably any of the other programs will allow you to do a very similar thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. I'm going to click on this thing that looks like a gear, which is my settings, and I'm going to scroll down and click on settings. And then it comes up this very first tab here, which is general. If you scroll down, what you'll notice is you'll see a thing here that says signature, and you have two choices, either no signature or you can choose which, see, I have all these different email addresses that I stream through my Gmail, and you can choose which one you want to go with which. So you can actually create separate signatures for different email accounts depending on whether they're your personal or your professional or whatever. I've just started doing mine. I haven't done the entire thing yet. So I've just started creating mine. This is what mine looks like so far. I've put my logo in there. The next thing that you want to have in there on any email signature, obviously you should have your name. That's really important. You may want to put on your email signature, you know, your position or what it is that you do. So these days I'm calling myself a blogger, so I just put that in there. You can also, by the way, make this be a different color by highlighting the text, then coming up here to the text color and choosing something that is similar if you want to do that, or you could just leave it all in black. I'm also going to put my website in there and my phone number. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now that I've put all that information in is I'm going to create across here a series of clickable images. So anytime somebody gets an email from me, they won't see a big long sort of ugly string URL that says facebook.com/theartofthebiz. What they'll just see is this really cute and pretty little Facebook icon. They'll be able to click on it and connect to my Facebook page. So what you need to do, you need to start first of all by grabbing some of these icons and then uploading them to a website where you know you'll be able to find them. So you could upload them to, if you have a WordPress site, for example, you could upload them to WordPress. And how you get them is what you want. I have mine designed for me by my designer, but what you could do is really simply go to Google Images and then just do a search for Twitter icons, and you'll see a bajillion of them come up. You can just download it and save the image onto your desktop, and then once you've done that, upload it to a server somewhere. Once you've uploaded it to the server, you need to grab the unique URL for that particular image for where it's stored. Okay, so now that I've gotten all of my icons, and by the way, you may also have to resize your icons to make them smaller. But now that I've gotten all of my icons and I've got them all uploaded to my server, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert each one of them here into my email signature. So I've already done Facebook. Next up, I'm going to do Twitter. So I'm going to just put my, click my mouse and put the cursor right beside the Facebook thing. Then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on the thing that looks like a mountain, and it's an insert image tab. So what I'm going to do is click on that. And what comes up is it asks me for a web address. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zip over here onto my desktop where I have all this information saved on a sticky. So this is the unique URL of where I've saved that image to on my server. So I'm just going to grab that information and copy it, and then I'm going to jump back into my email and I'm going to paste that in, and there it is. There's my little Twitter icon. So now I'm going to click on OK. Next, you need to link this back to your Twitter account. So next thing is you click on the actual image and then come up here and click on this thing that looks like a chain, and click on that, and now type in http://www.twitter.com/Rebecca Coleman. Whoops. And click OK. Now what's going to happen is, now I'm just going to scroll down and save this. Save changes. And I'm going to actually show you, I'm going to compose a message and show you what that looks like. So here's what it looks like so far. And then what you'll notice is when you click on this, it says, a little thing comes up that says go to the link, and when you click on it, it takes you to my Facebook page. Oops, I put the wrong address in there. Haha. But it does work. So that's how you create yourself a really nifty and professional looking email signature. I'm going to continue doing this for the rest of my social networks that I belong to, and I'll show you what the finished product looks like in a moment.